If your Google Calendar won't delete, or you're trying to remove a calendar but the delete option seems confusing, this video will walk you through the exact steps to fix it. Whether you want to clear out your main calendar, delete a secondary calendar, or unsubscribe from a shared calendar you no longer need, I'll show you how to do it the right way. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's get started. First, we need to clear your primary events. Open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. On the left side, find your main calendar and open the settings for it. If you have multiple calendars, double-check that you're selecting the one you actually want to remove. Once you're in the main calendar settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Remove Calendar. This is where Google Calendar keeps the delete option for that calendar. Click Delete to wipe the calendar clean and remove all the events inside it. If the calendar is your primary calendar, this step is especially important because it removes the stored events rather than just hiding them. Now, if the problem is coming from a secondary calendar, the process is a little different. Look under My Calendars on the left-hand side and find the extra calendar you want to remove. Click the three-dot menu or open its Settings and Sharing page. This will take you to the full settings for that specific calendar. Scroll all the way down until you reach the Delete option. Once you find it, click Delete. Google may ask you to confirm your choice, and if it does, go ahead and confirm so the calendar is permanently removed from your account. This is the best way to fully get rid of a calendar you own and no longer use. Next, let's talk about unwanted shared calendars. If the calendar does not belong to you and appears under other calendars, you usually can't delete it the same way. Instead, you need to unsubscribe from it. Find the shared calendar under Other Calendars, open its settings, and look for the Unsubscribe option. Click that, and Google Calendar will remove it from your view without affecting the owner's calendar. This is the correct fix if you are dealing with a shared calendar that keeps showing up and won't disappear with the normal delete method. Here's a helpful tip. If you still can't delete a calendar, refresh the page, make sure you're on the correct Google account, and check whether the calendar is actually owned by you. Many users think a calendar won't delete when really they're just trying to remove a shared calendar that needs to be unsubscribed instead. Also, if you're using Google Calendar on mobile, some delete options are easier to access on desktop, so if something doesn't work on your phone, switch to a browser on your computer and try again there. That usually makes the settings much easier to find. So to recap, if Google Calendar won't delete, first clear your primary calendar events through the Remove Calendar section, then delete any secondary calendars from Settings and Sharing, and finally unsubscribe from any shared calendars under Other Calendars. Once you use the right method for the right calendar type, the problem is usually solved in just a few clicks. If this video helped you fix it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.